Welcome back. Congress leader and former Union Sports Minister Manishankar Iyer said the government has spent far too much money on the Commonwealth Games preparations. Talking to reporters at Coimbatore, Iyer said he will be out of the country during the October event as he was in no mood to witness it. Iyer said such a big amount ought to have been spent in nurturing sporting talents at the grassroots levels.
I think we're premature in this. And we have spent far too much money. But anyways, now spent, what can you do? And so I'm getting the hell out of this country. I'm not going to be here for those 2 weeks because I don't want to be personally associated with the games. But when we come back, I hope the investigations are taken to their conclusion. And in the meanwhile, I hope these last-minute efforts of the government will help us to save.
Another politician has now targeted Commonwealth Games, although for different reasons. Health Minister Ghulam Nabi Azad has blamed the dug up of roads and unfinished work at the CWG project sites as the breeding ground for mosquitoes leading to outbreak of dengue in New Delhi. He said the combination of heavy rains that have lashed the city this year and the debris created due to the ongoing construction for the upcoming games is proving to be the ideal for the rise of waterborne diseases.
कॉमनवेल्थ गेम्स की वजह से जो दिल्ली बहुत ही खुदी हुई है और बारिश भी आपको मालूम है कि कई दशकों के बाद इस दफ़ा दिल्ली में अगस्त के और जुलाई के महीने में इतनी ज़्यादा बारिश हुई है जिसकी वजह से हर जगह कहीं न कहीं पानी जमा रहता है और जो ब्रीडिंग प्लेस है मच्छरों के लिए वो ज़्यादा उपलब्ध है और ज़्यादा उपलब्ध अगर जगह है तो ज़्यादा मच्छर पैदा होंगे और ज़्यादा लोगों को काटेंगे.
5,000 retired personnel of the Defence Services gathered in large numbers to stage a demonstration at New Delhi on Sunday.
The rally by former soldiers, sailors and officers of the Army, Navy and the Indian Air Force was to express their anguish over the government's dilly-dallying over their long-pending demand for one rank, one pension. They submitted a memorandum to the President Pratibha Patil in support of their demand with 1 lakh thumb impression of ex-service personnel.
आज मैं पूरे पंजाब से 1 लाख थंब इम्प्रेशन वाला जो मेमोरेंडम है वो लेके आया हूं और जनरल सतवीर सिंह की जो इंडियन एक्स सर्विसमैन मूवमेंट है उसके साथ मिलके हम राष्ट्रपति जी को ये मेमोरेंडम रोज़ मेमोरेंडम देंगे जिसमें हम उनसे यही आगाह करेंगे कि हमारी जो 1 रैंक 1 पेंशन है बड़े लंबे समय की लटकती आ रही है उसको आप जल्दी से जल्दी लागू करें.
As a mark of protest, the ex-servicemen of varying ranks returned their medals to be deposited with the President.
हम लोगों ने ये डिपॉजिट किए हैं ये अपना दुख दिखाने के लिए कि अगर आप फौजियों का मान सम्मान नहीं कर सकते तो ये मेडल नहीं है, ये सिर्फ सम्मान है, बोझ है हमारे ऊपर. आप ये मेडल वापस करें. जिस दिन 1 रैंक 1 पेंशन मिलेगा हम मेडल वापस लेके इसी माफिक रैली लेकर यहाँ लगाएंगे.
Several widows and even dependents of the ex-servicemen participated in large numbers from many places of the country in the rally. The ex-servicemen's demand 1 rank, 1 pension stipulates that irrespective of the date on which the soldier retires, he should get the same pension. Bureau Report, Day and Night News.
Union Parliamentary Affairs and Water Resources Minister Pawan Kumar Bansal on Sunday visited Bhatinda and expressed concern over the depleting groundwater level and suggested the interlinking of rivers to counter the threat of floods.
Water Resources Minister Pawan Kumar Bansal on a visit to Bhatinda expressed his concern over the depleting groundwater level in the state. The MP said the problem has aggravated due to digging of deep bore wells and tube wells.
जिन्ना ग्राउंड वाटर रीचार्ज हो रहा है उदों डेढ़ा निकल रहा है बाहर तो द रिजल्ट यह है कि वो नाल ही जिहड़ा लैवल तुसी जगह जगह वेख रहे हो साडे गिर रहे ने. इहदे बारे सोचण दी लोड़ है. सानू सारे तरह के मेजर लैण दी लोड़ है. पानी दी कफायत दे नाल वरतों करन दी लोड़ है. बहुत जुडिशियस पानी का इस्तेमाल होना चाहिए हर एक चीज़ वास्ते. पॉलिसीज़ नूं मेरा ख्याल सानू अपनी अपनी जगह करन दी लोड़ है कि इनू प्रिजर्व किवें करिए ताकि होर ना गिरे. पानी गिरन दे नाल नीचे तुसीं इधरले इलाके वेख रहे हो बठिंडे वगैरह खास तौर पर ਉਹਦਾ एक सीधा रिजल्ट यह है कि पोल्यूशन पानी दी हो रही है.
Talking about the dangers of floods in the state, he suggested to divert the flow of water.
साढ़े बहुत बेसन इस तरह के ने रिवर्स दे जिथे पानी बहुत ज़्यादा है. कई हिस्सों के फ्लड है हिंदुस्तान के कईयों के बिल्कुल सुक्का पिया होंदा है. इसलिए अगर असीं एक पासों दूजा एक इंटरलिंकिंग रिवर थोड़ा जिहा शब्द होर तरह का लगता है. अगर ट्रांसफर ऑफ वाटर फ्रॉम सरप्लस एरियाज टू डेफिसिट एरियाज अगर असीं गल करिए तो वो शायद वही गल है वो ज़्यादा ठीक लगती है.
Interestingly, in Punjab, especially in Malwa region, the groundwater is no longer safe for drinking. Many cancer cases have been reported from the region, but not many measures have been taken by the government to tackle the problem. With Swan Singh Thalewalia in Bhatinda, this is Monica Chauhan for Day and Night News.
6 people were injured in Srinagar yesterday when police used force to quell a stone pelting mob. Many areas of the city are under curfew in the wake of shutdown call by the separatists. Security forces were conducting a flag march in the northern part of the city when it came across what it called an objection-label flag. While the flag was being removed, some protesters indulged in heavy stone pelting, prompting a cane charge. Thereafter, police lobbed tear gas shells and used pump-action ammunition. Curfew also remained in force in Beach Bihara, while the restrictions have been lifted in Anantnag and Sopore towns. A delegation of All India Shiromani Akali Dal Party led by its party president Jaswant Singh Mann on Sunday met Hurriyat leader Said Ali Shah Gilani at his residence in Srinagar. The AISAD members discussed the matter relating to the anonymous threat letters received by some Sikhs asking them to join the ongoing protest or leave the valley. Gilani assured them of full security and told them that not to worry, as the letters could be a handiwork of some miscreants trying to create a division between the two communities.
आपस के जो इख्तलाफी हैं जो ख्याल है उनको बांटने से होगा। हमें आपस में इसका मुकाबला करने के लिए और इस जाल को, इन जंजीरों को काटने के लिए एक दूसरे के साथ हाथ मिलाना चाहिए, एक दूसरे के साथ इत्तेहाद करना चाहिए और हम इंशाअल्लाह उसी वक्त कामयाब हो सकते हैं।
In a bid to restrict the movement of extremists, authorities in the border area of Arispura in Jammu and Kashmir state have imposed a stringent curfew.
Covering the strategically important sector, the authorities have imposed night curfew for 2 months to prevent movement of anti-national elements. The district magistrate has restricted the movement of any person or persons from 10 o'clock in the night to 5 o'clock in the morning.
बॉर्डर एरिया में यह है कि जैसे भी गवर्नमेंट ने कर्फ्यू अनाउंस किया है कि रात के 10 बजे लेकर सुबह 5 बजे तक बॉर्डर एरिया पर नहीं जाएं, तो क्योंकि जब बॉर्डर बेल्ट पड़ा है इधर क्रॉसिंग होने का डर रहता है, तो मैंने खुद जाकर लोगों को पंच सरपंच मौजूद आदमी जो समझदार लोग हैं उनको खुद कहा कि कर्फ्यू लागू हो गया है।
The curfew has brought life to a complete standstill in the region, causing significant losses to local businesses and agriculturalists. Unable to attend their crops during daytime as well as in the nights, farmers in the area are facing a dark abyss of poverty and helplessness. Bureau Report, Day and Night News.
Police have arrested Jaspal Singh of Chandpurana village in Moga district, who had allegedly shot dead his daughter Lovepreet Kaur and her lover Harjinder Singh a couple of days ago after finding them together at his home on Thursday night. Jaspal had fled after committing the crime. After the arrest, Jaspal was presented before a local court which sent him in a 3-day police remand.
हरजिंदर सिंह इसका मर्डर हुआ जिदा तो उतों ਉਹਦਾ ਬਾਪ ਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਲੱਗ ਗਿਆ, ਉਹਨੇ ਗੁੱਸੇ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਹਰਜਿੰਦਰ ਸਿੰਘ ਨੂੰ ਗੋਲੀ ਮਾਰ ਦਿੱਤੀ, ਬਾਅਦ ਚ ਆਪਣੀ ਲੜਕੀ ਦਾ ਗੋਲੀ ਮਾਰ।
2 persons were killed after a car collided with a maxi cab near Panipat. The victims were returning from Gohana when the maxi cab crashed into their car. 14 people were travelling in the maxi cab who were injured. They were rushed to civil hospital in Panipat. Most of them were discharged after being given first aid. Well, it's time for another short break, and on the other side, Sports Injury Center for Commonwealth Games athletes.